Here we are again. Welcome here at Miracle Tech Shooter. We are going to do some Ruji Cloud adding voucher for voucher authentication. So let's go. So how to add voucher? Let's go. Let's select for PSA. It's our one account. And let's go to authentication and let's okay this one. Authentication and account. Let's go to user management. And upon opening user management, let's move to voucher. Have this voucher. So everything is set up for this one. You have user group, and then let's click. You know, to click the add voucher, and then select quantity. Type how many you want to generate. Let's do 5. Then select what user group. Then upon selecting what user group you like, we have guess 1 day. That's for 1 day voucher. Then click OK. So there we go. That's how you add voucher for our voucher authentication. Thank you for viewing. See you for the next video.